Hello students, this is Sarita Pawar. Welcome to my channel Get the Math. In this video we are going to see some more MCQs of lesson 5 quadratic equations. This is the second video on the MCQs of this lesson. The first video I have shared in the description, the link of it I have shared in the description box below. Please you can go through that video too. So the first question here is, if the roots of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 and a is not equal to 0 are real and equal, then d should be what? So d should be either greater than equal to 0 or less than or greater than or equal to 0 or equal to 0. So when the roots are real and equal, then the value of d is always equal to 0. So that is the condition that we have studied. So this is the correct answer. The value of k for which x is minus 2 is a root of the quadratic equation. So this is the given quadratic equation and it's one of the root as x equal to minus 2 has been given. You have to find the value of k here. So substitute this value of x in the given equation and you can find the value of k, and it is coming as plus 2. So option 3 is the correct option. Which of the following is not a quadratic equation? So here you can see the first question, if you take the LCM here, so it becomes x square minus 4x minus 3 equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. They are asking not a quadratic equation. So the second one here is 3x square minus 5 equal to x cube. The power here is x cube here, and the quadratic equation should have the power as 2. The degree of the polynomial or the equation should be 2, but this equation is having the degree as 3 here. So equation number 2 is the correct answer. Which of the following is the solution of the quadratic equation 2x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0? So do the factorization, solve this equation by factorization method, and you get the value of x here as minus 2 and x as 3 by 2. So one of the value of x, one of the root has been given here, that is x equal to 3 by 2. So this is the correct option. The number of solutions of a quadratic equation are, you have two solutions, you can see here, first and second. So two solutions you are having for any quadratic equation. If px square plus 3w plus q equal to 0 has roots x equal to minus 1 and x equal to minus 2, then the value of q minus p is, so here two roots has been given, x equal to minus 1 and x equal to minus 2. So let the first be alpha, that is minus 1, and the second one be beta, that is minus 2. And from the given equation here, the values of a, b and c are p, 3 and q respectively. You have to find value of q minus p. So write the sum of the roots. Alpha plus beta is, the equation is b minus b by a. So this is alpha is minus 1, beta is minus 2 and b is minus 3 here. Upon p, a is p, so value of p will become 1. Then apply product of roots, alpha into beta, that is c by a. So alpha is minus 1, beta is minus 1, c from the given equation is q and a is p, but value of p is 1 here, therefore q will be equal to 2. So these are value of p and q. Now you substitute this value in the given equation q minus p, that will be equal to 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 plus 1 is the correct answer. So option 3 is the correct option. If minus 2 is the root of the equation x square plus kx plus 6 equal to 0, then value of k is. So similarly as we have solved above, x is minus 2, substitute x equal to minus 2 in the given equation, you get the value of k as plus 5. So this is plus 5. Question number 8 here is, the value of k for which the equation 9x square plus 8kx plus 8 equal to 0 has equal roots is. Now it is given as equal roots. So first write the values of a, b and c from the given equation. A is 9, b is 8k and c is 8 here. Now when the equation will have equal roots, if d is equal to 0, that is discriminant is equal to 0. So d means what? B square minus 4ac equal to 0. Substitute values of a, b, c in this equation. You get k equal to under root of 4.5 and square root of 4.5 is somewhere between 2.12 plus or minus, as we are removing the square root, so it is plus or minus 2.12. But in this option here, no number has been given as 2.12 plus or minus. Okay, so the near option, the closest choice to this 2.12 will be here plus or minus 3. So you have to select plus or minus 3. The roots of the quadratic equation 5x square minus 4x plus 5 equal to 0 are. So you have to find the roots of the quadratic equation. That means you have to find the value of d here. So d equal to under root of b square minus 4ac. So substitute values of b and ac. So you get d as minus 84. Since d is negative here, therefore there are no real solutions. So not real is the correct option. The roots of the equation 4x square minus 12x plus 9 equal to 0 are. Here again you have to find the value of d. So a is 4, b is minus 12 and c is 9 from the equation. Substitute values of a, b, c, you get d as equal to 0, and when the discriminant is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. So option 1 is the correct option. Okay. So that's all for now for this video. If you have any query, drop it in the comment box. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Get the math.